Gear wheels made in Friedrichshafen are used to drive vehicles all over the world. With our blast technology, we at Actos are proud to contribute to the manufacturing chain that produces these components. 4 fully automatic blast units, which are equipped with a continuous transport system, are used here around the clock. Let's take a closer look at the operating sequence in actual practice. After a short run-up period for the components, the loading of workpieces can begin. As a rule, workpieces are fed to the blast unit by a conveyor that is integrated in the production sequence. But small special batches can be loaded at any time by hand. Changes in the blast parameters or the transport mechanism are not required. Because the blast media is kept in a closed process loop, all that's needed is to deliver the workpieces in a dry condition, free of oil and grease. The entry and exit vestibules are sealed off by a wear-resistant rubber curtain, which prevents the escape of blast media. A special feature of this blast unit is the wire mesh conveyor seen here. It allows for the simultaneous treatment of the top and bottom side of the workpiece, so that workpieces can be cleaned on all sides during a single pass through the blast unit. At the exit area opposite the entry vestibule, the workpieces collect in a buffer zone. Because photoelectric sensors automatically start and stop the supply of blast media to the Actos turbines, the operator need only remove the batch from the table. The metallically clean surfaces of these gear wheels illustrate the unit's high level of efficiency. Because the next workpieces have not yet arrived, we have time to take a closer look at the heart of the unit, the blasting chamber. We open the soundproof doors, the blasting chamber's maintenance openings, and then the unit's protective anti-wear lining. The transport conveyor passes by 2 groups of 4 high-performance turbines, which blast both sides, as well as the tops and bottoms of the workpieces, from staggered angles. This 8-fold bombardment provides reliable coverage of all workpiece surfaces. In the case of maintenance work, the blast media feed lines and the turbine drive units are easily accessed from the outside. In the inside area, we see how additional screw-mounted anti-wear plates provide protection for the direct blast area. The wire mesh conveyor belt is completely permeable to the 4 turbines on bottom. In the event that the supply of blast media in the storage bin runs low, more media is added via the practical supply hopper. The bucket elevator behind it continuously transports blast media to the cleaning station located above. Dust and undersized blast media are removed in the cleaning station using the principle of a cascaded air separator. In this method, air flows from the side through a thin curtain of blast media. A screening box removes the coarse particles. From here, it's also easy to see that a noise protection booth encloses the entire unit. Finally, we still need to show that this Actos blast unit is equipped with a cartridge filter of type PF4/12. The unit is self-cleaning, whereby the cleaning cycles are controlled by differential pressure. In this system, the degree of soiling determines the cleaning time, which is very energy efficient. ZF Friedrichshafen has 3 other blast units of this type installed, which reflects the company's high production volume and the wide variety of parts it produces. The feed systems are integrated in the processing lines of the hardening plant. We're here at the Friedrichshafen plant of the company ZF Friedrichshafen AG. We operate the Octos continuous blast unit in 3 8-hour shifts. The blast unit processes workpieces with diameters ranging from 50 millimeters to 300 millimeters. The heights of the workpieces vary from 10 millimeters to 60 millimeters. All of the components we produce must be blasted. The Octos unit is equipped with a wire mesh conveyor made of manganese steel. The conveyor transports the workpieces to the blast turbines, where 4 turbines each blast the workpieces from above and below, causing them to become metallically clean. This means that all scaling is blasted away. We are extremely satisfied with the blast unit and the blasting results.